As the death of George Floyd brings renewed scrutiny to law enforcement training, local law enforcement agencies are considering what they can do to be more transparent.
News 8 Now's Mel Meyer spoke with area agencies about what the training entails and how they're relaying this to the communities they serve.
When Holmen Police Chief Shane Collins started his training, the requirements were vastly different.
Which is a good thing.
Even just a few years ago, the state's requirement went from 520 hours to 720 hours of training. It covers everything from decision-making to professional conduct and biased policing.
It teaches them a lot of valuable information. When they come out, they're pretty much ready to go out.
Each year, they have to finish at least 24 hours of additional training for things like firearms and driving, force intervention, and cultural diversity. But some departments receive much more.
All of our deputies have averaged over 80 hours of training. All of our jail staff, correctional officers have over 40 hours of training on an annual basis.
If someone were to violate policies or there's a question of conduct, there would be a review.
Ultimately, any investigation does in fact come to me as the administrator of the agency.
Over the last 3 years, there's only been one time when a sheriff's department staff member was disciplined, according to an open records request by News 8 Now. And there was one other time when a deputy was counseled on handling complaints.
I attribute that to the dedication to training.
Now, as the public is calling attention to transparency in training and policing procedures, the Holmen Police Department is making that information more publicly available through a new webpage.
They can just go to our website and click a button and be able to view it.
They're also updating how officers report use of force on the job, so they're able to show the public the statistics.
Starting from today's date, we can easily keep track of all the use of force.
All of this is meant to make the community more informed and strengthen the relationship with the department. In La Crosse County, Mel Meyer, News 8 Now.
The La Crosse Police Department recently released a similar transparency webpage. The Sheriff's Department says it is also considering how it can be more transparent or improve.
And it will work with groups like the county's Criminal Justice Management Council, which has stakeholders from various backgrounds to improve the system.